everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Knowledge. Have you ever reached the end of the day and thought, I was busy all day, but I didn't really achieve anything?
We've all been there. But what if just a few simple habits could completely change your day?
Today, we're sharing the story of one productive day, not because everything was perfect, but because small, smart choices made a huge difference.
And while listening, you'll naturally improve your English speaking, listening, and vocabulary too. Let's begin.
Good morning, David. You look really energetic today.
Good morning, Emma. I actually had one of the most productive days I've had in months.
Really? That's impressive. Tell me everything.
Well, it didn't start with something extraordinary. It started with a simple decision: waking up early.
How early?
Around 6 a.m.
Wow, that's earlier than most people.
Yes, but I didn't force myself. I slept early the night before, so waking up felt natural.
That's an important point. Many people want to wake up early, but forget they also need enough sleep.
Exactly. Productivity begins the night before.
What was the first thing you did?
I drank a glass of water instead of checking my phone.
That's already a great habit.
Then I stretched for about 10 minutes.
Did it really help?
Absolutely. My body felt awake and my mind became clearer.
Exercise doesn't always have to be intense.
Exactly. Even a short walk or simple stretching can make a big difference.
So what happened next?
I wrote down the 3 most important tasks I wanted to finish.
Only 3?
Yes, instead of writing 20 tasks, I focused on the most important ones.
That's smart.
When your list is too long, you feel overwhelmed.
And when you finish 3 meaningful tasks, you feel successful.
Exactly.
When did you start working?
Around 8 a.m.
Did you check social media?
No.
Seriously?
I turned off notifications and put my phone away.
That must have helped your concentration.
More than I expected.
Many people lose hours just because they keep checking messages.
Yes, every interruption makes it harder to focus again.
Besides work, did you learn anything?
Yes, I spent 30 minutes reading a book.
What was it about?
Personal growth and communication skills.
Reading every day is such a powerful habit.
Even 10 pages a day can change your thinking over time.
Learning doesn't stop after school.
Exactly. Lifelong learning helps us grow personally and professionally.
Did you take breaks?
Of course.
Many people skip breaks because they think they'll be more productive.
Ironically, taking short breaks actually improved my focus.
What did you eat?
A balanced lunch with vegetables, rice, grilled chicken, and fruit.
Healthy food gives us energy.
Exactly.
Did you feel sleepy after lunch?
A little.
That's normal.
Instead of drinking another coffee, I went outside for a 15-minute walk.
Fresh air really helps.
When I came back, I felt refreshed.
Was your day only about work?
Not at all.
What else did you do?
A friend asked for help with a presentation.
Did you help?
Yes.
Isn't that interrupt your schedule?
A little, but helping others also made my day meaningful.
Success isn't only about finishing tasks.
It's also about making a positive impact.
Let's talk about distractions.
The biggest one?
Social media?
Exactly.
How did you avoid it?
No, I checked my phone only during scheduled breaks.
That sounds difficult.
It was at first.
But habits become easier over time.
Exactly.
What happened in the evening?
Instead of working endlessly, I stopped around 6 p.m.
That's healthy.
Then I spent time with my family.
Quality time matters.
Very much.
What did you do afterward?
I wrote in my journal.
What did you write?
3 things. What went well? what I learned, what I wanted to improve tomorrow.
That's a wonderful habit. People from different countries have different routines.
That's true.
Some start work very early.
Others work better at night.
So productivity isn't about copying someone else's routine.
Exactly.
It's about finding what works best for you.
Everyone has different responsibilities, cultures, and lifestyles.
The important thing is consistent progress. So, what did you learn from your productive day?
That productivity isn't about working all day.
It's about working wisely.
It's about balance,
Health,
focus,
learning,
helping others.
and taking care of yourself. Many people wait for the perfect moment to become productive.
But the perfect moment rarely comes.
Instead, start with one small habit today.
Drink more water.
Read one page.
Walk for 10 minutes.
Write tomorrow's plan.
Small actions become big achievements over time.
A productive day doesn't mean a perfect day.
Sometimes you'll make mistakes,
Sometimes your plans will change.
and that's completely okay.
The goal isn't perfection.
The goal is progress.
One good decision can change your day,
One good day can change your week.
and one good week can change your life. We hope today's conversation inspired you to build better habits while improving your English.
If you learned something new today, practice these expressions in your own conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Learn English with Knowledge. Leave a comment below and tell us, what is one habit that makes your day more productive?
We'd love to hear your ideas and experiences from wherever you're watching in the world.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning.
Keep growing.
And remember, every productive day starts with one small step. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.